नमस्कार. तर आज आपण पाहूयात एक्झिला, यालाच कक्षा प्रांत असेही म्हणतात. याचं लॅटिन नेम आहे आर्मपिट. इट इज अ pyramidal space situated between upper part of arm and chest wall. It resembles four-sided pyramid and has apex, base and four walls, that is anterior wall, posterior wall, medial wall and lateral wall. Apex of axilla is directed upward and medially towards the root of neck and base is directed downwards. आता याच्या बाउंड्रीज पाहूयात. पहिली तर आहे अपेक्स, त्यालाच काय म्हणतो सर्वायको ॲक्झिलरी कॅनल. अपेक्स म्हणजेच काय सर्वायको ॲक्झिलरी कॅनल इज डायरेक्टेड अपवर्ड मीडियली अँड टुवर्ड्स रूट ऑफ नेक. इट इज बाउंडेड एंटेरियरली by posterior surface of clavicle, posteriorly by superior border of scapula and medial aspect of coracoid process, medially outer border of first rib, also known as cervicoaxillary canal as axillary vessels. Axillary vessels infraclavicular part of brachial plexus enters the axilla through this canal. Base or floor is directed downward and formed by skin, superficial fascia and axillary fascia. आता त्याच्या वॉल्स कशा फॉर्म झाल्या ते पाहूयात. फर्स्ट आहे एंटेरियर वॉल इज फॉर्म्ड बाय पेक्टोरल मेजर इन फ्रंट, क्लॅविपेक्टोरल fascia and pectoralis minor. Posterior wall is formed by subscapular above, teres major below and latissimus dorsi. Medial wall is formed by upper four ribs and their intercostal muscles, upper part of serratus anterior muscle. And lateral wall is formed by upper part of shaft of humerus in the region of basipital groove, coracobrachialis and short head of biceps. आता याचे कंटेंट पाहूयात. Axillary artery and its branches, axillary veins and its tributaries, axillary lymph nodes, axillary lymphatic vessels, axillary fat, loose connective tissue and cords and branches of brachial plexus. Axillary artery is continuation of subclavian artery. It extends from outer border of first rib to lower border of teres major muscle, where it continues as brachial artery. Pectoralis major muscle crosses the artery and divides it into three parts. That is, first part is superior, that is proximal to muscle. Second part posterior or deep to the muscle or behind the muscle, and third part is inferior or distal to the muscle. Branches of axillary artery. First part superior thoracic artery, second part thoracoacromial artery, lateral thoracic artery, and third part subscapular artery, anterior humeral circumflex artery and posterior humeral circumflex artery.